Here you go. Your favorite noodles. Oh, look. Good, huh? Here, look. Look, Anita. Want some more? More? Okay.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, yeah. Here, how about another one?
Uh-oh.
That's good stuff, isn't it? That's good stuff. Oh? Uh-oh. No more? Do you want some more? Do you want some more? Here, hand that bowl to me and I'll give you some more, okay?
Baba.
Bubba. You want some more, Bubba? Alright. Here's some more.
Baba. Baba.
Here you go. Oh, careful, careful. There you go. You want some more? You want more? You want some more? Okay. Me. More. Please. Look at this, Anissa. Look at this. You get some more. You're welcome. Say thank you. No? Okay. Well, you just enjoy those noodles then. That's pretty good, huh? How about some chicken? You want some chicken? Hold on.
You have property for sale on Johnson.
Oh, Anissa, no. Careful, it's hot. Oh, really?
1,876 square feet. So it doesn't tell you how many units. But I'm assuming that's about 8 units. For $9.99.
Pretty good, huh? Very good.
Wow, what we can get for $1 million a year is just crazy, people. It really is. I mean, we can get like totally multi-unit.
Good job, Anissa. Good job. You're doing good. You like those noodles better, huh?
Here's one at El Cajon on Oregon. 10,450 square feet. Like, it's got 5-car garage, at least, and then 4 on the other side, so it's probably 9 units.
Want some more noodles? Oh, you already have noodles. You done? You don't? Oh, you don't want this? You're returning the sender? Kind of cute, Anissa. Kind of cute. All right, say bye. Bye.